Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by defining a short story that fits a Zack D film style. Strong visual hook, concise arc, clear payoff. Aim for 2 to 3 minute runtime. Write a one-page outline and build a shot list of 10 to 20 shots prioritized by narrative importance. Scout one primary location and note natural light windows and power access. Plan for 2 lighting setups, key and fill. Schedule a 4 to 6 hour shoot day, assign roles, and gather props and wardrobe to support the visual tone. For cinematic look, set camera to 24 FPS and use a 1/48 shutter or the closest available to replicate film motion. Choose a 35mm or 50mm prime lens for subject isolation and 1/4 to 1/8 stop aperture adjustments to control depth of field. Light scenes with a key and a fill. Use a 1,000 to 2,000 lumen LED for key and a 300 to 600 lumen panel for fill. Assemble footage on a 16:9 timeline and aim for a 2 to 3 minute final cut that preserves rhythm and pacing. Trim until every beat earns a cut. Perform 3 to 5 color grading passes, primary balance for skin, secondary for mood, and a final LUT or film curve while protecting highlight detail. Mix audio levels to -6 dB peak, apply gentle compression, and a 60 to 120 ms reverb for ambience. Export H. 264 at 10 to 20 Mbps or H. 265 for efficient uploads and add clear metadata and thumbnail before.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.